Hi, this is a nice place.
Hi.
Can I give you $2 and you show me around?
Sure, why not? Let's go. Welcome to this unit. So basically this is 2196 square feet, one of the premium project when it was launched 10 years plus back. You can see that there's only 3 and 4 bedrooms here. So this is the premium stack itself, because when you look out you don't get the traffic noise, yet you get the very nice pool view downwards. So this condo only have 132 units on this very big plot of land. So with only 3 and 4 bedroom is very attractive for families. So previously the tenant actually stayed here for 5 years, so we are in the midst of reinstating the place. We're going to polish the floor, varnish the floor as well. So one rare feature of this house is the kitchen, because you can only see an aircon in the kitchen for premium project. And a lot of families, they like this layout because you also have a bomb shelter as well as a helper room. Because most of the development you only have either one or don't have at all. So we have both. Oh, of course, and this is the back door because we have a private lift there. So I only showed you half the house. So let's go to the bedroom. So this is a 4-bedder. So this side is the junior master. I leave the rest to you. Help yourself.
Thanks for leave and showing me around, Adrian.
No problem. You do know of anybody that is interested in this unit, do give me a call. See ya.